Welcome to today's YouTube video. I'm so glad you guys are joining me today. I'm going to be showing you how I use the Bedhead Deep Waver to get natural looking waves for my shoulder length hair. So I already have naturally wavy hair and it's more wavy on the bottom. I do tend to get some ringlets on the underneath side of my hair as well, but I love using this waver because it gives me natural looking waves. They look very beachy, but they also give my hair a lot of body and volume. So I typically do this on day 3 or day 4 after I've washed my hair. That way I'm doing it on dirty hair. And one of the things that you're probably noticing that I'm doing is when I put my hair into the waver at the root, I'm rocking the waver back and forth. This helps to keep creasing down, which is really, really important when you're doing this kind of hairstyle because you don't want to make it look like you've crimped your hair. So another way to decrease the look of a crimped head which is so 80s, is to use lower heat. The really nice thing about this hair tool is there are a lot of different settings, and so you really don't have to use super, super hot heat. And I do have really thick, really coarse hair, so I'm going to use a higher temperature than the average person, but my hair still looks really natural and just a normal wave by the time it's fallen out and I've brushed it out. So I take my hair and I section it off into probably 3 or 4 sections when I put it up. And then when I'm using the waver, I probably have 4 sections around my head that I use, and they're pretty big sections. They're probably 2 to 3 inches of hair. And I go down twice with the waver, and I do leave about 1 inch of hair, maybe 2 at the bottom of each section that is straight, because that helps it give it a more natural look. It's really important when you're doing the very top section of your hair that you do rock the waver back and forth because it decreases the crimped look and the crease that you're going to get. The other way you can do that is after you're all done to kind of shake your hands through your hair, which I'm going to show you at the very end of the video, and that helps everything kind of blend together. One of the things about this waver that I love is I can do different directions with the waver, and so the waves aren't all the same direction or the same style or the same texture, and they don't all blend together, which is really nice. One of the things I've started doing is when I get closer to my face, I have smaller sections of hair that I work with because then those don't blend as much together right next to my face, and I don't have all this hair that's just one giant wave, and I think it looks a lot better that way. You can see I'm using the waver upside down right here. I really, really like how that looks. Sometimes I have to go back, like right now, and add a little bit more to a section just because it's not exactly the way I want it to be. But that's it. So subscribe for more videos and visit my blog for more content. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.